We all have may ask ourselves, how could we possibly get some free money? Well, today I got the answer for you. It's called airdrops. So what's an airdrop, you may ask? Well, an airdrop is an event in which a project, the developers of these projects, distribute some of their project tokens in order to raise awareness of the project and gain some popularity and traction. Most of these airdrops consist on specific project tokens. So what's a token? Glad you ask. So a crypto token is a type of crypto coin, but with a very specific use case. They are generally used within that crypto project as a variety of ways. They could be used as a proof of stake, helping to keep and maintain the project, or as a vote to take a community decision, kind of like a stock, or maybe obtain certain benefits from the project itself, acquiring value for themselves. These tokens can be held if you are planning to get involved in that specific project, or can be speculated with if you believe in the future of the project and that the price of the token will go up as the project gains more traction. In contrast, you could just sell the tokens for a quick buck on any exchange that support them and transfer what those tokens are worth to your bank account. Most airdrops out there on the internet, on Reddit, are kind of scams because they offer really low value tokens or a really small quantity for a lot of effort. They want you to introduce your personal information and to share the project in your social media like Facebook, and most of us, I don't know you, but I don't want to be categorized as one of those Karens on a pyramid scheme. So today I want to present to you this legit airdrop from one of the biggest crypto platforms projects out there at the moment. I am talking about Celsius. So what's Celsius? Celsius basically is a centralized lending platform that offers you mind-blowing returns up to 22%. Just to put that in context, some of the biggest and most recognized hedge funds offer around 20%. I'm talking like Warren Buffett or that level of institutions. So how did they make this? How do they accomplish this? It does this by offering instant collateralized loans. This means that people can get instant loans without any paperwork for really low fees, using their crypto assets as collateral for their loan. So users can get some money but still be exposed to those sweet crypto gains. Users can borrow their crypto to the platform in order to earn high annual returns on their investment with almost no risk. There's basically a really low risk because all loans made by this platform are collateralized, so there's no risk of people not paying you. I will not go into all minor details on how this platform works, but currently they have loaned over $8 billion and have paid their users over $50 million in interest. That's a really high amount. They return about 80% of their profits to their customer base, making it one of the most attractive platforms out there at the moment. So currently they are offering this airdrop over their Telegram, offering their users 30 of their tokens just to register. You only need to provide a valid Ethereum address in which they will deposit their tokens. This is really easy to obtain. You just need to download this app called MetaMask. It's a plugin for Chrome or Firefox, or can be downloaded also for iOS or Android. At the current moment, these tokens are worth about $1.3, so the value of this airdrop is around $40, which is pretty sweet. Also, the price will probably go up as more and more people just know about the platform and start investing on it. I think these kind of airdrops are a great opportunity to get some of the best crypto tokens out there in their early stages. So I really recommend to hold them for a while. They are free, you didn't invest anything of your own money, and you never know what their value could be just in a few years. Also, they help to get a lot of fresh people involved with their project, gaining a lot of traction, and I really believe this project is one of the most interesting projects out there recently. So please to claim your tokens, just use the link on the description below, and it will help the channel with your referring code, and you will earn 30 tokens for free. Please, if you like this kind of content, give us a like and please subscribe to EtheroCoin. It would mean a lot. Don't forget, always aim for the moon.